Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is the temperature zone. So let's talk about it. Weather. The weather of the place includes the changes in the temperature, air pressure, rain and wind condition. It could change within a very short span of time or daily. Climate. The climate of a place or a region is weather of that place or region over a long period of time. The climate of any region is greatly influenced by the following. Number 1, latitude. Number 2, altitude. Number 3, proximity to a large water body. Number 4, prevailing winds. Latitude or the distance from the equator. Different latitudes receive different amount of heat. The further away a place is from the equator, the less heat it receives. Near the equator, the rays of the sun fall vertically, but near the poles they are slanting. Therefore, places located close to the equator very hot, while those located close to the poles are cooler. Altitude. The air around us is not heated directly by the sun rays. Instead, the sun rays heat the earth. The earth heats the air. As we go to higher altitudes, the amount of heat received from the earth's surface decreases, and so it is cooler up there. Proximity to a water body. Coastal areas have a lower temperature range than the area that are inland. This is because land heat and cools faster than the sea. As the land heat up in the summer, cool sea breezes blow in from the sea to cool the land. In the winter season, the warm sea breezes blow towards the land. Coastal area rarely experience extreme heat or cold, while inland area do. Winds. Winds greatly affect the climate of particular place depending on their place of origin. Winds blowing from the sea are cool, while those blowing from the desert are hot. The earth is divided into temperature zones according to amount of heat they receive. Number 1, the torrid zone. Number 2, the temperate zone. Number 3, the frigid zone. Number 1, the torrid zone. The region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is known as the torrid zone or the hot zone. The torrid zone extended over the both northern and the southern hemisphere. It is also called the tropical zone. The sun rays fall vertically over the region almost throughout the year. As the result, it experiences a hot climate without much variation throughout the year. Number 2, the temperate zone. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere form the temperate zone. This zone experiences mild temperatures as the sun rays fall on the earth's surface at an angle throughout the year. Number 3, the frigid zone. The region between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere is known as the frigid zone. The sun rays fall a sharp angle throughout the year. This makes the frigid zone extremely cold all year round. So let's talk about the facts about the temperature zone. Number 1, temperate latitude of the earth lies between the subtropic and the polar circle. Average year temperature in these regions are not extreme, not burning hot, not freezing cold. Temperature means moderate. Number 2. A maritime climate is the generally for location near the sea. That includes London, Dublin, Melbourne and Auckland. Most places do not have a rainy season and a dry season. Number 3. The some part of temperate zone have a meridian means climate which have a dry summer. For example, Rome, Cape Town, Santiago or Adelaide. Number 4. Some places in the temperate zone have not summer and cold winters. For example, Chicago, Beijing, Budapest and Almaty. Number 5. Temperate region have the majority of world's population which leads to the large cities. So kids, tell me 10 words for temperate zone. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the temperature zone. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel or also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.